The introduction of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing in every practical sense clear to researchers. The blockchain is setting down deep roots. With this certainty of calculation skill, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than required to make an exceptional digital money that could hold an incentive at a splendid future cost, empowering taking credit, making installments, and all irreplaceable for the most part neighborhood monetary standards. Before we generally start with nitty-gritty Nexo cost forecast, we should actually take a look at coin outline. What makes Nexo one of a kind? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital currency-moved credits to clients in an unpretentious manner. These advances don't explicitly need a FICO rating, and this element makes it an appealing choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for acquire a moment credit in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check total Nexo audit here. After storing, a credit line opens up and no credit check generally is vital, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Clients can spend from their credit line whenever by the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their financial balance. The whole system of Nexo explicitly depends on two standards. 1. Versatility of exchanges. 2. Working with a smooth reconciliation with certainly different application. It appears Nexo is going to sort of change the worldwide skyline of installments, and furthermore as an excellent speculation choice in a kind of enormous manner completely. A remarkable element of Nexo truly has been the carrying out of truly free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction changes of monetary forms incredibly. These cards can be utilized for limits, and especially the best advantage clients determine as they can explicitly pay in their extremely neighborhood monetary standards. Nexo, specialized examination in an unobtrusive way. Like other digital currencies, Nexo also is to a great extent reliant upon value development and request and supply, and is profoundly weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists change as they would see it about the sort of commitments Nexo holds in the years to come, which is very huge. In view of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018. Its most memorable large flood came in among April and May. The cost of Nexo rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, an extensive leap that truly mirrored a tremendous measure of early financial backer interest. Nonetheless, it stamped nearly flattish force till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had moved up above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight revision and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information shows, when for all goals and purposes different monetary standards exhibited a horrendous execution. The Nexo cost has displayed soundness, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing a for the most part extraordinary flood in energy with no Nexo cost drop knowledge starting from the start of this current year, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Starting from the start of this current year, the cost of Nexo has been persistently rising, and as of late, it has denoted a record-breaking high of $4.05. In any case, in the wake of hitting $4.05, Nexo cost dip under $1.50, and at present, it recuperates around the $2 mark with a week-by-week value change of 27%, which is very huge. Nexo value forecast by specialists, which explicitly is genuinely critical, being recorded on most of trades, gives Nexo a manageability advantage that impacts Nexo gauge contrasted with conventional monetary standards. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around $2.29 with a 24H value change of 0.41% and a 24 hours volume of $12,158,815.42 with a market cap of $1,282,880,480.52. There is right now a flowing stock of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In view of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a drawn-out increment is expected. The Nexo cost guess for 2027 sort of is $9.30. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 306.33%, according to the Estimate Information Investigation. The cost of Nexo is supposed to really cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to generally arrive at a greatest degree of $3.20. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo in 2022. Taking into account our Nexo figure, specialized examination, and market refreshes, many tasks reaching realization by year's end by and large around greatest cost expectation of $5 cannot generally be precluded for Nexo, making it a productive interest in the digital money market contrasted with government-issued types of money. Nexo gauge completely relies upon the value development and opinion. The cost of Nexo could reach $4.77 toward the finish of 2022. Nexo value forecast 2022, heaping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in the year next or so they generally thought. 2022. The cost of Nexo also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $2-3 mark in light of cost expectations in an unpretentious way. Nexo value expectation 2023, going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns. Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be entirely ideal for Nexo for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing in a real sense find the stowaway, which explicitly is genuinely huge. There is a gauge possibility of the Nexo crash to $3.61 once more, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value forecast 2024, expressing that a stunning chance doesn't in every practical sense exist in light of expectation at the cost of Nexo, and that bulls will generally ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Nexo will run the crypto realm, taking out BTC predominance with a presentation of cost fixed at $3.94. Nexo has truly maximum capacity to support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, basically due to its solid essentials. Nexo value forecast 2025. The current year's expectations could check as the benchmark year, as the cost of Nexo is anticipated to outperform $4.62 definitely. Basically on the grounds that this year no urgent elements like pandemic or downturn are expected to basically shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the majority of the harm done would be on street to fix work in every world economy. Nexo value forecast 2026, as indicated by our Nexo cost gauge in view of specialized examination and past information. This cryptographic money could leap to about $4.59 by December 2026. Nexo value forecast past 2026. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul instead of the momentary cost development, with a touch of persistence in keeping the really trust genuinely high in the drawn-out figures. Financial backers can in every practical sense expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of Nexo would sort of fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap, by when Nexo would not anymore a guileless contestant in the realm of digital forms of money, yet a carefully prepared player, which is very huge. Does Nexo sort of have a future? Nexo is a digital currency that fundamentally has a savvy and splendid future. Riding the crypto wave, it in a real sense will lead the computerized realm, thus for the purpose of installment, it would explicitly have a long rule. Indeed, even kind of web-based entertainment stages like Twitter and Facebook affirm the Nexo predominance over BTC strength, in spite of prevalent thinking. Is putting resources into Nexo a smart thought? Indeed, in an unpretentious manner. As per our Nexo cost estimate, putting resources into it will be really smart at the ongoing cost levels in a genuinely large manner. Notwithstanding, a reasonable level of effort is consistently fitting. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overglad clarifications required on the off chance that you contribute mindfully and track the Nexo cost conjectures consistently throughout some